What is up, guys? Welcome back to Jersey Nick Moto. We are on our way to Pocono Mountain HD to meet up with a moto vlogger, he who shall remain anonymous. That should give you a hint right there. When we get here, we got to look for a man without a face. We're out here at Pocono Mountain HD. We're going to meet up with a YouTuber today. We figured we'd take the opportunity to meet up and do a little riding before the weather changes for the worse. So stay tuned, see who we meet. Well, guys, I think this is him. That's right, Anonymous Biker USA. What's going on? All right, guys, well, I said we were going to Pocono Mountain HD to go meet a man without a face.
I'm here. Hello.
That's the man without a face, Anonymous Biker USA. We're about, what? We're about 6 months late in meeting up because we were supposed to meet up in June.
Yeah.
Right?
We were going to meet up down in Louisiana, but that whole thing happened because Nick couldn't come down. So I came up, and now we, what, 60, 70 miles each? Went in the middle, and now we're in Pennsylvania to see Jersey Nick Moto. Look at that beard.
And make sure, if you don't already, subscribe to this guy. He has great videos. Go check him out. I'll link his channel down below in the description. Again, Saddle Champ, how you's doing? He was supposed to ride with us back when we were supposed to meet up in June.
What's up, Tramp? Miss you, brother.
We're gonna go in here, check out Pocono Mountain HD, maybe do a little riding, go grab something to eat. So stay tuned, see what our day's like.
Maybe I'll buy a Road King.
Maybe he will. If we could find one, maybe you could buy one.
That's right.
All right, talk to you later, guys. So we got a 2017 Indian Scout, which I believe I'm going to be talked into taking for a spin.
That's right. I'm gonna take that for a spin.
So yeah, I mean, you know, I'm a strictly Harley guy. Jersey Nick can't ride an Indian, can he? We're going to find out. Alright, so this is something you thought you'd never see on my channel. Jersey Nick riding an Indian. I gotta say, it's smooth and it just rides really nice. Oh, that's nice. I think what I want to try and say is it's very easy to ride. Oh look, we got a little train up here. Yeah, it's like very rideable. And it's just smooth. You know, I give my honest opinion. I'm a Harley guy. I love Harleys. I'll probably always ride Harleys. but this is a nice solid little bike. Yeah, this is real nice. Now we're going to see if we can get anonymous on old Lola.
Those bars are awesome.
They are.
That makes a huge difference because I've ridden stock 108, I've ridden 114, all stock. That makes a huge difference.
Yeah, they do.
I
They
love
put you
those
like
bars.
just in the
Night
right
and day.
spot.
Night and day.
But
I like it, man.
pretty
Thanks for
tough.
letting me ride your bike, Nick.
Not everybody gets to ride all Lola. I trust this dude though. Alright, we just stopped here, grabbed something to eat at Billy's Pocono Diner. Not a bad little roadside stop. We're gonna hit the road now. Maybe stop at another Harley dealer, I don't know. Come along for the ride. Alright guys, so we're at Keystone Harley, down in, where are we, in Allentown, Pennsylvania? We took a nice ride down. This dude here took me on some awesome Pocono back roads. I felt like we were on a roller coaster.
Yeah, there were some fun roads, weren't they?
It was really nice. So it was a great day riding with Anonymous Biker USA. Make sure you check out his channel. It'll be linked below. Hit that subscribe button for him. You won't be disappointed. Hit the subscribe button for me if you haven't yet. And thanks for coming along on our ride.
One thing to Saddle Tramp.
Yes.
It's coins for you, buddy.
Coins. All right, guys. Thanks for watching Jersey Nick Moto. See you in the next one. Later.